Something when me don't like good night is that.
Hi guys, welcome to Chairs
and Benches.
I'm Nyoka.
And I'm Shaun.
And today we'll be doing a couples Q&A. I've been getting a lot of requests to do this video, so we're here doing this video. Alright, so you have the questions, right?
Yeah, today we're gonna answer some questions you guys asked. So we're gonna walk and talk with you guys today. We're not gonna sit down. We've been sitting down at home for too long, right?
So we gotta walk. So we're walking and we're talking and we're answering all you guys' questions. So we're gonna try to be as honest as possible.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna ask the first question.
Yeah, you ask the first question, but we both have to answer it though.
All right. All right. So the first question. This is the most frequently asked question, and it is, when are you guys getting married?
Yeah.
Me always get this question. Mona say you get
the question. I feel like I get it a lot, but I can't answer that question.
Guess,
you have to propose because
like,
I'm not proposing to you.
Gender role.
I'm not proposing, so that question goes directly to you. But I get the question a lot too.
Definitely.
So what's the answer?
So you guys, it's almost here. It's almost that time. But obviously, I'm not gonna give out a date or give a hint of when I want her to be surprised when I actually propose to her, right?
Okay.
So,
are you gonna record it for them? Are we gonna vlog?
You don't have to know that. You don't have to know that.
Okay, so I don't know anything about this question.
Exactly.
So
yeah, I'm at that last stage right now. I can't tell you guys that. So yeah, it's almost here.
Okay. What is the next question?
Alright, so you can ask the next question.
So the next question that they asked was, how long have you guys been together? So we've been together for
since we come to Canada.
Yeah, since we migrated we've been dating. So
almost 8 years now.
Yeah, we're almost at the 8-year mark. Time flies because I don't feel that old, but hey, we've been together for almost 8 years.
Yeah.
So the next question.
So the other question, how did you guys meet?
You first.
Yeah, so we met here in Canada. We really meet in a Jamaica first, but there wasn't any real introduction or any real conversation between each other. So yeah, we meet in a Jamaica and then get to know each other here in Canada. Because we come here as students at same college. So
yeah. So I don't know if you guys want a story time in full details because it's actually a lot of details to it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's like a whole process.
That's another video.
That's a whole video in itself, like exactly how we met, where it was. We probably have pictures.
Yeah.
And then like how it evolved. But that's a whole story time.
Yeah.
If you guys want to know the story time, comment down below.
Relationship story time.
But we pretty much met in Jamaica, but our relationship started here in Canada. How far along are you in your pregnancy and what are your pregnancy symptoms? So you guys see my bit. You guys obviously can see I'm pregnant now, but I don't think I want to answer that question in this video. If you guys want to know, a lot of people have been requesting story time, like my pregnancy symptoms and what I'm going through and how far along. But I feel like that should be a whole video in itself. But I want to know if my viewers are interested in that kind of video and I can let you guys know about my symptoms. This pregnancy is completely different from Sky.
Yeah.
So I could actually compare both pregnancies. So if you guys want to know like my symptoms, how far along, how I'm feeling, my mood swings, all that, comment down below, let me know.
So what are your first impressions, I guess, of each other?
Yeah.
So go first. When we first meet Nai. Jesus.
What did you think?
To me, first impression, just by how she looked, and you know there's nothing else we judge off, alright, other than looks with first impression. So we did have her as probably this, them uptown type girls at Jamaica. We're not really, it was stuck up and
not down to earth or
not down to earth.
Oh
yeah, that was my first impression.
My first impression of Shaun was that he was a nice guy, like a really, the typical nice guy image, and somebody that could have been like a good person to have a friendship with. Comparing to everybody else that I was around, I was like, I need him. Seem like the most level-headed, somebody I could be good friends with. Comparing like Yeah, so that was my first impression. Like, that's what I thought of you first time I seen you. Like, good boy, grow up, you know, no bad, nothing bad, perfect. But you know, time
That's
tells.
my general first impression to most people.
Yeah, most people when they meet Shaun, they're like, "Oh, this is like a nice guy." Like, yeah. So, what do you like most about each other? So that's the next question. You want to go first?
You can answer.
Me first.
You first.
I like the fact that you are very smart. He's very intelligent, guys, and he's very creative at the same time. So if you mix that together, I feel like he's capable of creating anything or mastering anything because he's creative and then he's intelligent. And I'm really attracted to smart people. So that's my answer.
Thing what I like most about Nyoka, guys, is just our drive in life generally. Like, me can tell you this right now. Like, if me never meet Nyoka, I probably wouldn't even finish college. So our drive is it's like something that give me a second conscience. Like, she always on me to be better. So that's what.
Aww.
And me love enough things about her still, you know, but that
stands out
to me.
Aww. Yeah. Thank you. What's the next question?
What about your relationship are you guys most proud of?
Oh, yeah.
Me would have say a daughter.
Yeah, you
A
still
brother,
answer.
no.
Yeah. That's definitely my answer. We can have the same
A
answer for
daughter.
this one.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's
Sky.
That's obvious.
Yeah. So I'm most proud of
a
Sky
daughter.
too. Like, we have a baby, and to be parents to her, that's produced from this relationship, and she's like really amazing. Honestly, she's like really amazing. You guys will get to meet her soon because we're gonna post a video about her next week. It's her birthday, second birthday, so please watch that video. But yeah, I'm most proud of Sky,
Yes,
produced
Sky.
from this relationship.
It's definitely a blessing.
Yeah. When you guys are going out to eat, where are you guys going? That person, I like that question because
Yeah.
we're going somewhere that sells seafood.
Seafood.
Specific, yeah.
Seafood.
Somewhere that sells seafood because I don't like fancy restaurants and he's a picky eater and we both like seafood. Anywhere that sells lobster, so the restaurant that we like the most right now is Captain
See how me
Boyle's.
skinny? Yeah, so to be honest, I don't really eat a lot of things, but seafood always hit the spot for me.
And then I like seafood, so we're going somewhere that has seafood.
Yeah, probably Captain Boyle's.
Yeah, Captain Boyle's would have been the number one that the both of us like the same.
Yeah. So, what was your experience being a parent, and does it affect your relationship?
Yeah.
It's a new level experience, guys. Being a parent is awesome, and it did change our relationship, yes, but to me it was for the better.
True. Being a parent in general is something really new and it's crazy, and I think it gets easier with time because when you become a parent it just happened in one day, and then it's very difficult in the early stages, like your body change, your hormones, your lack of sleep. So I feel like going through that phase though, it does help to strengthen your relationship, because that's when you're like the most tired or the most vulnerable, and then you're taking care of a human being that is above you guys. So and then now further along in your relationship you'll have to change certain things like bad habits that you guys might have had if you want to be a good parent and create a good environment. So
exactly,
usually
that's why I say it was for the better.
Yeah,
it's not a negative change.
Yeah, it's a positive change, and being a parent in general is tough, and it will change you overall if your concern is your child.
So next question, how many kids do you guys want to have together?
Yeah, you want to answer?
Well, 3 kids.
Max, yeah.
Max,
I want 3 kids too. How much kids your parents had?
Parents had what? 6 boys, 1 girl.
Yeah.
So 7 are we?
Yeah. And my parents only had 2, so I want 3. I feel like 3 would be a perfect number. We're already on baby number 2, so we're more than halfway there. But most people making jokes that he's gonna follow in his dad's footstep, but not with me. I can't manage. Enough people say it.
Who else said that?
Your family too, your sister. Say I try following in your dad's footstep.
No.
Because of how fast.
3 kids.
I don't want 7 kids. My body can't manage it.
3 kids.
3 kids. Alright, so what keep us together for so many years? Somebody asked that, and I was thinking about it. Like, to me, I feel like it's the love. Like, when you're actually in love with somebody, through highs and lows of your relationship, you will somehow find a way to get back together.
Yeah,
what do you think?
Definitely when we did that thing. You say everything what we did want to say. So yeah, just another thing. When you have that connection, even 8 years not even seem like that long to you. If you're in a relationship, it's kind of hard to believe. So we're almost together for almost 10 years now.
Like a decade. That's crazy.
Definitely. So when you guys argue, do you stay in your feelings or forgive each other quickly?
You answer that. Which one of us?
Me not think we stay in our feelings too long. Like, what do you think?
I feel like back in the days we usually stay longer, but we have this new rule. We have this new rule that we don't go to bed angry, so it won't pass 24 hours. But we both of us stubborn still. So before, like when a relationship was much younger, we would have just be in our feelings for a longer time. But now, having a family home setting, you can't have that kind of energy round for past 24 hours. So I think 24 hours is the max now, because you can't go to bed,
24
man.
hours. Yeah, we don't think
Depending.
24 hours long.
Let us know down below. Is 24 hours too long to stay in a malice or what?
Yeah, me not think we actually, because y'all go need time to actually reflect on why. Because when you have an argument, especially if it's a serious argument, y'all gonna need time to reflect to yourself and see where you could have do better. And sometimes it take time for you even man up sometime and come back and say, yeah, me did wrong.
Sorry or something.
Right?
Yeah, because sometimes when you're in high emotions, you're not even thinking straight, so you need that time to kind of like, calm down and just really get a chance to reflect. Because most of the times when we have an argument, we have a conversation afterwards.
Yeah, especially if you work too, like you argue, you gotta work for the whole day, come back. Mm-hmm. Yeah, get your time to reflect, then you work it out, you talk about it. Because anytime we in an argument, it just throw off energy in our house. Mm-hmm. So yeah, I know something where we want to stay too long on.
No. And then now we have kids.
Yeah, and we have kids.
So you have to take that into consideration.
Yeah.
2.
2 kids.
The next question is, what pet peeve do you guys have about each other? You want to go first? You go first this time.
Pet peeve?
Yeah.
Something where me don't like with Nye is that she's not supportive.
How?
In watching a movie.
Oh.
Get you this, no. Yeah, that we don't really have too much pet peeve with Nye, but yeah, when we are watch a movie together, me not even say when we are watch a movie. She never watch a movie. When we try watch a movie, like 5 seconds in a movie, she starts sleeping.
Yeah, guys, I'm sorry, but I don't like movies. I like reality shows or YouTube videos, short videos, but like to follow a whole storyline, climax, it's too much. If there's anybody else down below that don't like watching movies, let me know, so I don't feel like I'm the only person in the world that don't like movies. I hope I'm not, but he's not lying. I literally fall asleep in the first 5 minutes. So, the first 5 minutes.
5 seconds. 5 seconds, yeah, guys.
The next question. So the next question is kind of spicy. is how would you guys rate each other's kissing on a scale from 1 to 10?
On a scale from 1 to 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you rate her a 10.
Thank you.
Rate her a 10.
Yeah. I would have said 10 too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like.
I love kiss her.
Oh. You're making me.
Yeah, I just said that.
What? Okay, but alright, next question.
Alright, so parenting tips.
Yeah. But any parenting tips? Because we are young parents and enough people just are starting their families now, so.
Yeah, you want to answer that one first? Yeah, you never think of something.
You never think of something like that? I would have said when you become a parent, you have to learn how to become patient. And that starts from birth. Like, you have to really put yourself aside and just really dedicate to this child who's like not sleeping. And then as they grow, there's so much different stages that happen so fast as you get comfortable and feel like, okay, yeah. And you have to be flexible. Like, you have to kind of know. Like, when you have a kid, I feel like you kind of have to work with them the growth and the spurts that they go through, and it doesn't stay consistent. So yeah. I feel like you have to be patient, 1, and 2, you kind of have to know and understand each stage that they're going through. I don't want to imagine how teenage stage will be, but Sky is at the terrible 2s, they call it. She's 2 next week, so just imagine what we're going through. What do you think?
Yeah, and mother said try just be understanding. Try put yourself in your kid's shoes. Make sure realize them are a baby, like them not understand certain things. So you can go with the flow with them in certain things. A good example actually is where as a kid growing up, the mother said like go take your book for like punishment or something. Like understand say them is a kid. Like them are go on play and you actually tell them if you go take up a book as a punishment, I go install in a feed them head as a punishment. So it's not going to be something where them like ultimately books.
Yeah.
Like
yeah, so you kind of make a negative stigma. Yeah. Like you make a book be punishment, which we want our kids to love books, so we'll never make it seem as okay, you do something bad, go take your book. So it's just to kind of like
try just put yourself in a freedom shoes as where them not have that much experience to know better.
Yeah.
Like you telling them to go take a book, them not gonna know say yes, it's something good because you are paint it in them head as something a punishment, which is something negative.
Yeah.
So
I think it's important to study and research on your own because sometimes some of these things come from what we see in our own, like growing up in our own society. Yeah. So it's like kind of like to learn about early childhood and try to learn kids and then kind of not repeat the same. I would have said just try not to repeat anything flawed that happened in your society because we tend to repeat what we see other parents do.
Yeah,
when they become a parent. Yeah.
May I get cold, me.
Walk. Help me. Safe on this side. All right.
So next question. Who is the best cook?
I'll answer it. Shaun is the best cook. That's why he does the Yes or Nice episodes mainly. I can do my thing too, but he's a countryman, so he's a countryman, and trust me, it's good. That's one of the ways that he kind of got me, cause like he's really good at cooking.
Yeah, man, I said Mary, shout out to the countryman them. Can get
straight out of St. Mary.
Yeah, can get a girl from cooking. That was one of my secret.
Oh no.
And you know too.
Parents always say it. So the next question is, who spends the most money on foolishness?
On what? Foolishness?
Yeah, you.
Yeah. Me spend the most money on foolishness? Yeah. Really nice. Just you tell them say I go be honest, so just be honest.
So I'm not think of me.
Really? Just alright. Me I go say she but tell me why you say me.
Okay, maybe it's me. Maybe it's actually me. But I don't think it's foolishness. I just spend a lot of money on stuff.
Yeah,
That's
you
important.
buy any and everything. The other question is, when you guys meet each other's family, what did you guys think?
Did I meet your mom first?
No?
Did you meet my parents first?
Yeah, me meet your parents them long before. No, probably your father before.
What do you think when you meet my parents?
There's nothing out of the ordinary. Well, yeah, then just did cool. Because me used to, before me even actually meet them,
We used to.
we talk on the phone before. Not long conversation still, but
Well,
and me hear Nyoka talk to them, so I did have something painting on me head of how them would be. So yeah, me never really think when me just meet them. It's just did how me think them would have been.
And then I think I met your mom when I went to Jamaica, and that was the same. Like, we're both family oriented, and our family is pretty close knitted. So I thought exactly how your mom was over the phone, that's exactly how she was in real life. And his family love me, so they make me feel special, like I'm some kind of like special person. So when I'm around his family, I feel nice. Like, they make me feel really good. Like, they're comfortable with me being with their son. So they're really nice. We're close too.
Yeah. That's
Next
good.
question. Is it mine? What's one thing you guys have in common? And I think it did answer. Did we answer that already? Oh no.
Is seafood?
No. I have another answer. One thing we have in common is that we like intellectual debates. Like, me and Shaun will actually sit down for hours and just reason on an intellectual level and debate on different stuff. And it's actually the cutest thing, because both of us just get a kick out of it.
She cries. So sometimes Nyoka, when she know, sometimes she get real. Not
Most
cry,
times
but
I win the
sometimes she
argument,
get
though.
upset. Like, sometimes you have to just say, yo, go on, like, say she win and just stop. Because she get really angry.
I get angry because I know he's smart. He's smart, and then when him says stupid stuff, it's like, oh my gosh, it's frustrating that he's acting like he's stupid, but he really knows that I won the debate. But that's something that we like to do. Like, we'll debate for hours about intellectual stuff. So
you get angry because the truth hurts.
no, what you think? Or you don't know. One thing we have in common.
What I just say, I seafood, something like that.
Yeah, seafood.
But
We both like seafood.
I just can't think right now.
You know, we have things in common though. One thing about our personality that's opposite.
Yeah, I'm very quiet. Like, I'm not really outspoken. That's my.
And then I am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
So
my personality would have come off as an introvert, quiet person, shy.
I can be an introvert or I can be an extrovert.
Well, yeah.
I'm not like.
Yeah,
but
it's not.
when
that
it's appropriate, I'll talk.
Yeah.
Yeah. One thing about our personality that's opposite. I was actually gonna say the movie thing, but you already say it. Like, I hate movies, and then he loves movies, so that's what I was gonna say. So yeah, that's one thing. And then the last question.
So this is not really a question. It just say complete this sentence. You are my.
Complete the sentence.
You are my queen.
Oh. Do I have to answer?
You have to say something too.
And then I would say probably you are my rock. Should I say you are my king? Just to make it perfect.
Yeah.
King sound better. Me have to go copy you. So you are my king. So that's the end of this video.
Alright guys, this comes to the end of our video. Thanks for watching.
Yes. Let us know down below if you guys us know.
Wait till it bite. You sure? In a country ass place.
No. Okay guys, so let us know down below what you guys think about our Q&A. If we miss out any questions, comment down below. And if you guys want to know about my pregnancy update, how far along am I, anything about baby number 2, any reservations, how I'm feeling, comment down below, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you the most. Watch to the end of the video, guys. And if you guys want to see more videos with me and Shaun, relationship type of videos, he's cold, so I'm gonna have to go. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Woo.